Alright guys, this is what I was wanting to show you the other day when I did the other video, but I didn't have the gasket for it. That's a huge gap right there. Big old gap. Each one of these is like that. So it's a pretty massive gap there. That's this is on the intake. What you want to do is you want to line these holes up so that your intake is sitting on there the way it's going to sit on there when you put the car together. Make sure you got the gasket the right way. Not all these gaskets are perfect. Obviously this one's got a warp in it right there. I'm just going to leave some extra space on this side here, because not all the gaskets will be like that. It's warped a little there. I'll leave some extra space here. And then same here, it's warped a little here. So I'll leave some excess space here. It's warped a little here. Right there. And then on the next one, it's warped a little right here. So this gasket isn't perfect, cheap gaskets. But for most of it, you can see that there's a huge gap there, and it's like that on all these gaskets. You get rid of that, and you increase your flow rate. All right, everybody, this is the finished product. Like I said, I left a little bit of meat in some places. That's gonna flow a lot better. All right, so you got to put this stuff on here from ARP, and you got shorter and longer ones. The short one on the driver's side goes back here.
Number 5.
And the short one on the passenger side is the opposite.
Number 6.
So you want to be able to screw these in by hand. If you can't screw them in by hand, put more the anti-seize stuff on there. But it is faster if you use a Allen wrench. So you want to run them all the way down and then back them off about a half a turn. But these should go in smoothly. Yeah. There we go.
That shit's ready. You want to play? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll be right there.